I always seem to capture these white-crowned pigeons when the time is dark, and they are dark. They are dark gray, very dark gray, almost next to black. But now that the hurricane torn down the trees, they are out in the open a lot, just poaching on broken limbs. There were quite a few of them around just now, but while I'm walking down trying to get closer to them, a few of them flew away, leaving that one there. I'm still looking around to see if I see any more. But even I have a couple of them scuffling around. Whether that's a fighting or mating ritual, I'm not sure, but yeah. So there's one just I'm talking, I'm seeing them now flying all around. And they're giving them more chance to get close to them. In that mango tree over there. You have two of them poaching on that mango tree there. But in nature, these birds are always like the wildest. Next to one that we call barbel dove, white crowned pigeon, which we here call ball plate, would be the wildest doves. But like I said, since the hurricane, well, they've been getting a bit tamer because you don't have guys throwing stone or shooting birds anymore with slingshot, which we also call catapult here in Jamaica. So they're getting tamer like that. But since the place, all the trees are torn down like this, they seem to get so much tamer. Oh, there's some smaller birds flying around. And while I'm talking, well, seen one of the white crowned pigeon just come and poach right next to me. Not even 10 feet from me in the branches of this broken avocado tree. So one just decided to grace me with a close shot, and there goes another. So I'm talking about what team they're getting. So while I'm talking, that one flew right behind me, and then that one just flew down beside, well, just above the other one. Well, there's one right there moving around, gone a bit behind the leaves. Onto the ground. Oh, there it is moving on the ground. But these are like pretty close to me. I'm talking about how tamer they're getting since the trees. And while some flew away while I was coming down, these two just decide to come and poach on the tree right next to me. And I'm not sure what that one. There were a bunch of them in this tree earlier today and on the ground. I'm not sure if they're heating something there or what, but that one just walk and remain on the ground. Maybe heating, oh, maybe heating the ripe yeah, the ripe avocado. As you can see, there are lots and lots of avocado on the ground here right now. So it seems as if they're feeding on the ripe avocado. So I'm barely seeing the head of that one because it is behind the leaves, behind the dry leaves. But while this one moved from a clearer view, still poaching right there. And one of the main reasons when I went and got my camera just now, I saw a couple of dove looking just like the white crowned pigeon, but a lighter gray. And when they fly, there is a white along their tail feather. Strange doves to me. And trust me, I can get shut down anytime now because my battery is just about dying. I already got that warning. Yeah. So these white crowned pigeon that I'm trying to capture for the longest time closer, now they are everywhere. You probably can just see the head of that one heating, going down and coming up behind the leaves. There it is. So you just seen just the head basically. There is no way you would get this close to white crowned pigeon at one point, which we call baldplate. These are like the wildest doves you can think of. Now these doves are actually approaching you, coming real close to you. And even though I'm right here, as I said, not even 10 feet away, I'm talking, and they're just there eating. Oh, that one fly away. Let's see that one right there. Now you can see their colors. When I try to describe them before, I've been that dark gray next to black. But it is moving around in the leaves, that fallen tree. And here I have a hummingbird just come and sit right next to me. That's a hummingbird. You have many different species of hummingbirds.